Hello.
Hello everyone. Yeah, it has been a struggle to just get these things connected, and I hope, um, yeah, we'll get through it. Um, yeah. On this presentation, I would like to present about the crisis that we are in now, COVID-19, and I title it "Not the Same Boat, COVID-19." Probably you have heard like people saying, "Oh, we are in the same boat. We are facing the same situation." But yes, we are all facing COVID-19, but we are actually in different boats. Some of us, we are in rowboat, motorboat, canoe, rafter, sailboat, and paddle. So we are in different boats, definitely with different experiences. Some of us during this time, we are in the time of reflection. We are um, viewing things clearly and adjusting and trying to dream again. I'm just waiting for the next slide. Yep. So we are trying to, reflect, think through, and see things in a clear way and try to dream again. Well, some of us, we also see this situation as an opportunity where we can do different things that we couldn't do when we were very busy. For example, for ourselves, we are now doing the live online virtual engagement course, which I don't think we probably would not have done if it wasn't for the time that we got now.
Mm, yes.
Um, Sorry, the slides are just really taking long. So yes, that's the opportunity that I was talking about.
Mm, very nice.
Thank you. And yeah, and for some of us, we probably have been so busy that we don't get time to spend with our family. So this time around now is the time to spend quality time with our families.
Mm, yes.
Just waiting for the presentation that I was talking about. Yes, so that's the picture I'm referring to, about the family. And then also for some of us, we were probably very um, busy, and that caused us to be very, very tired, maybe have even a burnout. And COVID just made it so easy for us to rest and heal from the burnout.
Mm, mm, yes.
Still waiting for the next slide. Um, Sorry, this is going to be like what I'm presenting that moment is not the same picture. But nevertheless, we're gonna try to make this work. Yep.
Very cute.
Yeah. And then though some of us we find this time to rest and spend time with families, an opportunity to do things like musical, learn a new musical instrument, read a book that you wanted to read so much but you couldn't get time, um, do courses online, do reflections. Some also find this time very lonely. They are so lonely that they miss the human touch connection, um, and they would want the lockdown to come to an end. Yep, that's the picture I was referring to. Um, Sorry again that it's just taking so long. And then also some people might find it also that they are so bored um, during this time of COVID. They tried things and then they get tired of it, and at the end they just don't know what to do, and they get so bored. Still waiting for the next slide. So the next slide is about desperation. In this situation of COVID, some people are really desperate because with lockdown, that means they lost their jobs and there is no finance to buy food for their children. Though some might not, it's not an issue because they have finances to to feed their families. Um, but to others, it's a really concern. It's a desperate situation because that means the family has nothing to eat. Yep. So definitely we are not in the same boat, though we are facing the same virus, COVID-19. So in whatever boat we find ourselves in during this COVID-19, we should try not to be judgmental, but we should try to be very understanding. Um, Try to be kind. Try to help when we can, and surely COVID-19 will come to an end, and we are not going to come out the same. I hope we're all going to come out with a lesson, one or two. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you got something from this. But I'm really sorry for the delay of the slides, and the connection is really poor. But thanks for listening.
So, thank you, Une. It was very nice presentation. Really enjoyed.
Thank
Thank you.
you. Thank you.
Now, can we ask